Hello mga guys! For today's video ay carry ang mug ang bumili ng new dishwashing machine. This is Hotpont Ariston. So this is Hotpont Ariston is the one of the leading brand in the kitchen appliances. So for today's video, ayan na nga mga guys, ay dumating na ang aming Hotpont Arizona. Pinagtulungan ng buhatin niya ng Super Babo at Super Daddy. Ayan. Wala silang idea, pwede nyo na lang patambling-tamblingin. Talagang hinelp ko silang dalawa. Dahil talagang bubuhatin nila yan, ay may hagdan. It's very, very mabigat mga guys. Pinagtulungan nilang buhatin yan. So, ayan na nga for today's video, mag-unboxing na ang aking papi, ang aking super daddy. Ayan, napakabait at napakasipag naman ni papi. Ayan, ina-unbox na nga niyan ang ating product na Hotpont Arizona. They're expert in kitchen appliances. Ayan mga guys, sa pagpapatuloy ng ating program, let me introduce you the product. Description, ayan mga guys, inside that, ay meron silang upper rack, cutlery rack, foldable flaps, upper rack's height adjuster, upper spray arms, lower rack, space zone, lower spray arm, filter assemble, salt reservoir, detergent and rinse aid dispenser, rating plate, control panel. So using control panel mga guys, reset button with indicator light, then select the program, then zone wash, 3D button with indicator light, short time with indicator light, key lock, echo program indicator lock, key rack indicator light display, program numbered and remaining time indicator, tablet indicator light, close water tap indicator light, rinse aid refill indicator, salt refill indicator, light extra dry button with indicator light. Ayan, meron ding delay button, then start post. Ayun lang mga guys. Ayan na nga, ipinapakita ko na sa inyo yung like what I've said. Ayan. Mga guys, ang tinatawag Nothing Ariston dishwashing machine. Ayan, it's very easy to your home mga guys. Kung may dishwashing machine kayo ay mas mabuti because time consuming talaga mga guys. And mas nakakatipid ako today ng water because one time na lang ako nagdi-dishwashing ng isang beses na lang ako gumagamit ng dishwasher natin mga guys because before it's two times every day. Ngayon ay one times na lang dahil napakalaki niyan. Doble sa aming unang dishwashing machine. Ayan mga guys, may 10 years guarantee. May 10 years warranty siya at 5 years naman for the motor warranty. Kailangan mo papalitan ang motor for 5 years at pwede mo siyang papalitan ang kabuuan for 10 years. Ayan, salt rinse aid detergent. May mga program table din yan mga
here,
guys.
what's that, Papi? Kiko sequestro, Paps.
Ayan nga mga guys, ay meron pa
This is
siyang
75 kilowatts per hour, 100, I don't know what's that. Ayan, 14 times, 9.5 liter, 3 hours, ABCD, Kiko sequestro, volume. And this one, 5 years guarantee for the motor and 10 years for changes, mga guys.
Insomma, il numero di coperti, il tempo di lavaggio, quanto è rumorosa e quanti litri d'acqua consuma.
Sono qui, ti prendo, Devi stare sempre con me questa. Aspetta, se no non vieni mica fuori,
Più bella quello che ha trovato in Troni.
Ormai.
And here is advice and tips. Before loading the basket, remove all residues from the crockery and empty the glasses. You don't need to rinse beforehand under the running water. Arrange the crockery so that it's held in the place firmly, does not tip over. Arrange the container with opening facing downward, and the concave convex part placed obliquely obliquely, thus allowing the water to reach every surface and flow freely. Warning! Lead handles, trays, frying pans does not prevent the sprayer arms from rotating. Place any small item in the cutlery basket. Very soiled dishes and pans should be placed in the lower basket because in the sector of the water spray are stronger and allow higher washing performance. Tips on energy saving. When the household dishwasher is used according to the manufacturer instruction, washing tablewares and dishwashers usually consume less energy and water than the hand dishwashing. In order to maximize dishwasher efficiency, it is recommended to initiate the wash cycle once dishwasher is fully loaded. Loading household dishwasher up to capacity indicated by the manufacturer. In case of partial loading, it's recommended to use dedicated wash option if available. Piling up only selected rack and correct loading or overloading in the dishes may increase resource usage, such as water, energy, time as well, in the increased noise level, reducing cleaning and drying performance. To avoid odor and sediments, which can be accumulated in dishwasher, please run high temperature program at least once